Okay, so this is day 3 of doing something uncomfortable every single day, and as for today I'm going to tackle a problem that I have since a long time, that I'm basically taking way too much time to record and write and produce my entire YouTube videos for my game dev channel. So basically, I usually upload something there once a month. So yeah, that's pretty bad. I could easily upload every week if only I didn't procrastinate for so long. And I am usually procrastinating under the name of quality, and just saying that, you know, I need to get this right and that. But today I'm actually going to just tell myself it's 3 p.m. Afternoon right now, and I'm just going to tell myself that I will finish recording, and that means scripting and recording, even coding if that's needed, an entire coding tutorial for my game dev channel. So I don't know how many hours I have time. If I take any more than 4 hours, I'm going to get into trouble with keeping my other habits. So yeah, I don't have that much time. I'm just going to force myself through there because I know I can do it. I know that theoretically recording the entire tutorial shouldn't take longer than an hour, and even I don't really need to write a script. I think it even comes across a bit more natural if I just talk. That's something I wanted to start anyways. And then there's this entire recording setup that I will need to do. I'll kind of need to get the light correct and maybe even set up the green screen. But basically, all of that should be doable in another hour, even half an hour maybe. But it just takes some discipline to get through there, because I mean, you can probably relate to this. It's something you want to do for a long time, and you just kind of do a little bit every single day, but you don't really get anywhere. I know I can do it today, and so I'm just going to record this entire video, and then of course I will also need to select a topic on what I'm even going to do the tutorial about. I have zero clue right now. I was thinking about maybe first person diving or swimming, but I'm not so sure. In the best case, I'm actually selecting something that I don't need to code first, that I actually already coded and I just need to explain it. That will make things a lot easier. But yeah, let's get started. I have zero clue how this is going to turn out. All I know is that today I'm going to produce a video that's actually going to be uploaded to my game dev channel, no matter what. And yeah, I mean, obviously I want to get the quality as good as possible. Now I actually have the gear to record really high quality video and sound, so I have all the gear needed. Now it's just a bit of discipline and pushing through this. Whatever, I'll talk to you again this evening and tell you how it went. Okay, so it's been a couple hours. It's now about 8:30, and well, let's talk about how the challenge went. So basically, I tried to get all of the recording done for this video today, and my idea was that I kind of written down a tiny plan, and it was something like I'm first going to make the recordings in Unity with the code that's needed for the tutorial. Then I'm going to record the audio with my new microphone, and then I'm still going to have like 1 or 2 hours time to actually record the intro with a green screen. And then I kind of wanted to place myself into this game development coding world, so that would have been really cool. But yeah, that kind of didn't work. It took me quite some time to even just get the basic code recordings, and I didn't even manage to get all of them because I noticed that for some of them I actually need to code for 1 or 2 hours to even fix things, so that just didn't have time. And then the audio recording was quite tough. For some reason I didn't really manage to set up my new microphone correctly for quite some time, and that annoyed me a bit. But eventually I did actually go back and record the entire thing, which is great, but I didn't have time for any green screen recordings afterwards. So basically, I guess the challenge is half failed, half passed. I can't say I fully succeeded, but in order to kind of make up for this failure, I actually went for a 20-minute run. I don't know how long it was, 22 minutes or so, which I haven't done in a long time. Like the last time I was jogging was maybe like half a year ago or even longer. So yeah, that's cool that I did that again. So I kind of did that on top of the challenge today, because otherwise I couldn't have said that I really challenged myself enough. So in the end, I think it's been a great day. It was definitely quite uncomfortable pushing through these recordings, even though it wasn't going well at all. And yeah, that's how it usually goes. I mean, something just goes wrong. It's really hard to predict how long things will take. So basically, I'm glad I did it, and it took quite some time today. But yeah, now I can just upload this video, relax, read a book for a while, and I'll talk to you tomorrow again. I'll have to come up with a new challenge. I don't even know what I'm going to do tomorrow, but definitely even going to step out of my comfort zone again and do something that's uncomfortable. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.